Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to get discount on KLM flights. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in klm.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to KLM if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have the home, we have my trip, check-in and the information. In the top right corner, we have your profile. We also have, as you can see, the book a flight in the middle of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get a discount on KLM flights. So first of all, look for KLM promo codes online. So websites like FlyNose often offers discount codes that can save you up to $75 on your next purchase. Also, you can sign in for KLM newsletter to stay up to date on the latest deals and special offers. Of course, book in advance. Booking your flights well in advance can often result in lower fares. If your travel dates are flexible, use KLM's price calendar to find the cheapest date to fly. Consider joining KLM's Flight in Blue loyalty program, which offers members exclusive discounts and benefits. Visit the KLM deal page to see current promotions and special offers. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.